All right, folks. So my Christmas present arrived. We have the Wheel Ease tires. Check them out. They're going back on the Ark, and they arrived a day late because they were ordered hopefully to be here in time for our Keys bridge fishing expedition, which was on the today's the 29th? 29th. And we're gonna go out and we're gonna head down to the Keys, but we have like a half a mile walk down this bridge. And I would have hated to have carried all this stuff without the Ark. And the tires got delayed a day, but they came in time. What a Christmas present. We're putting the wheels on the Ark, guys. We're going down to the Keys now. As soon as I had all the stuff, literally all the stuff packed, and they came right when we were about to leave. So I got people waiting on me down in Homestead right now. So we gotta get on the road.
Already?
Yeah, they're already down there.
Ooh.
People, we gotta get on the road, guys. I gotta get all this stuff out, get the Ark loaded, and head out. Well, we gotta get this off first.
Huh?
We gotta get this off first.
Okay.
Yep.
All right.
Let's
So
see how this works.
let's do this one. Let's do this one first. So I need somebody to hold this. Hold that. Nice and tight.
Come on, baby. Let this be quick.
No?
Starting to go?
Nope.
I have another one of these.
Kind of. I have to get what you said.
Got the tire off. One of them off anyway. I have one of these bolts. You have the other one? Or is it on the ground somewhere?
On the ground.
All right, I've got one of them. Okay, guys. We got them. Let's see how long it takes to...
Ready, set, go!
Ready, set, go. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, all right. Let's see how it goes. We got 4 of these bad boys, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Bam! Done!
There you go.
Well.
Well,
broken.
Oh.
It's not
Already messed up.
already messed up.
what do you mean? Have you guys done one yet? Nope.
Nope.
This one was here. So that means that.
I caught a lizard.
That means that.
Is that off the old
Put it on
tire?
your ear.
Yeah, that means that this is the
Put it
old.
on
This
your ear.
is this side.
Put it-
Bam.
Lorenzo, honey's looking out the window.
Bam.
No, that's a cute magical.
I got this.
Thread it through. Is it long enough?
I just gotta get a good grip on it then. All right, go. Wash my hands. There you go. Go ahead.
Okay, gotta put a little pressure on it. Flatten that tire a little bit.
All right, next. Let go. Good.
I mean, probably could have used bigger. When I thought this cart this through, should have probably
ahead.
made a little bit bigger
Go ahead.
tires.
Okay, good. All right. Didn't think this through. Hold on.
Still no?
You got the air. You want to put that on the outside.
What?
You gotta want to put the air thing on the outside of it so you can put air. It'll be nicer, more aesthetically pleasing.
Aesthetically pleasing, George.
I'm all about aesthetics.
Okay.
All right, Aaron.
What do you want me to do?
Hold
it.
this. Hold that good.
Try and figure it out.
You got it, Aaron?
Yeah. Okay. Basically, we got some rusted, what do we call this? Some kind of lug nut?
Yeah, that's a lug nut.
It's a lug nut.
This one we go loose
All right, and this tire's flat.
Up.
That one still has some juice.
Oh, this one came out.
That one came out
Yeah.
good. So we could probably just do both of these if they're that easy.
No, this one didn't come out.
Huh?
This one.
That one didn't come out. Okay. Good enough.
Well, so far we got the Lord's flavor because
the flat ones are
the
coming
two
out.
flat ones can coming out. Yeah.
Heck yeah.
It is
bro.
off.
All right. Replacing a wheel ease wheel. All right, George, show us how we do this now.
All right, we gotta make the sound effects. We got the pliers right here.
These?
Yep. Just try to hear go from the side like that. Okay. That's probably better.
So we just gotta hold one side.
Ready? Yeah.
Loosen the other.
Okay, next. Ready?
Yep. Oh, that's one on top. Gotcha.
Okay.
Gotcha.
So Aaron holds one side.
What you got at the bottom?
Which one you want? Bottom.
Holds that side. Loosen
Next.
it up.
Top. Gotcha.
Good.
Gotcha. Be all right here.
All right. Oh, that's nice.
Those don't bite, right?
That's what happens. No, they don't bite. Camponotus ants. Well, I wouldn't test it.
Boy, they were
Jeez.
really. They had a home.
They had a home, man.
That's messed up.
It is messed up. Get out of my cart.
They don't even pay rent, man.
They didn't pay rent.
They're
man.
like kids.
That cart, my beach cart's been sitting on the side of the house for about 2 years because we've had flat tires and just haven't gotten around to fixing them up yet. Finally got these new wheel ease wheels in. Oh, so wait, so that, how does that, show me how that works real quick, George?
It's an interlocking.
Interlocking hub,
Yep. Bam.
and it just comes apart. And you just put the bolts back in, you're done. Okay. Put the bolts in. All right, guys, I'll tell you what. All right, we're ready to go back on.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Bam,
on,
bam, 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 bam.
So total change time, George, with rusted
Half
threads.
hour?
Half hour. All 4 tires.
The tires itself was easy.
The tires itself was easy. It was the rusted
It
stuff.
was the inflation.
Yep. We had to pump them up with a bike pump.
All right, ready? Look at him. Look at him. Take a picture of that.
Yeah, go,
Look
Aaron.
at this. 2 wrenches like that.
Double wrench.
That's a
There we
manly,
go.
That's a manly pose right there.
So how you want to do it?
All right, I like this.
You like that?
Yeah. That way
Okay.
we don't.
All right, let's bring it. The Ark is officially rolling, baby.
Ark is alive!
Oh, the Ark is alive! It's alive! Heck yeah! All right, we are gonna make our way down to the Keys now. I'm gonna get this stuff loaded, the Ark in the truck, and we're heading out. That's what we're talking about. We're fishing. Lorenzo, why don't you take your hand at the Ark with its new tires? Yeah, I gotta. Are you gonna film?
Have a ball.
All right, well, he'll fill me up. Okay.
Have a ball, then. Go for it.
All right, are we rolling? We're rolling. Hey, listen. While I'm drinking my coffee. Here we go, baby. We're on it. We're on it.
Off on the bridge.
All right, guys. So, the YouTubing geniuses in my world said, the further you go on the Long Creek Bridge, the better it is for fishing. So, it's a 3-mile bridge. We're gonna go out a ways. We've got our caravan of folks walking stuff. We've got Brant up there, he's leading the charge. I'm already out of breath. I think we're at about a 1/4 mile, maybe. I don't know how intelligent this is, but we're gonna try. Here we go, guys.
can imagine cars when it's up there.
Oh yeah.
Man,
This used to be the car bridge.
wow.
We're walking, baby. Wheelies tires doing their thing. Look at that. Guys, this is one hand pushing. Still a little bit out of breath, but we'll get out there eventually. I need to design a steering mechanism on this thing.